Now, Cardi B and Offset, we don't really get into people relationship, but when you put us in a group chat and you make a major headline, you throw everybody in. Cardi B
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Offset have taken over the news cycle these last about a couple weeks, man. It's been kind of popping off here and there, but I think this last week it then kind of got deep, man. And now I see in the news where Offset is suing her for spousal support going on with the divorce. What you think about that?
Hey, I think it's all fair game, baby. You want to listen. One thing about it, everybody playing. She posting yacht pictures, and so you capping it. You feel me?
Yeah.
You doing your 1-2. This your big one. You feel like putting it in my face. Everything fair game, man. So yeah. And I'm going to get some spousal support. I know that you wouldn't have this bread if it wasn't for me and my people.
Yeah.